Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's build it. I hope you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, please do subscribe. In this series, we are developing this beautiful application for food delivery app. Uh, Not delivery, actually it is a grocery app. So till now we have developed this splash, this onboarding, the sign in, this login screen, and in today's video we are going to build this sign up screen. In last video we have seen how we can use the navigation stack to navigate from this screen to another screen, and we are developing this whole application in SwiftUI only. So if you are new and want to learn SwiftUI, please do subscribe and watch till the end. So let's move to sign up screen and let me zoom it. So we have a background, we have a logo, and then these elements. So let us start first from adding a background on the back. So I'll take a ZStack first. Here I'll add a image. We already have a background image that we used on the splash. I'll ignore the save area to make it available from edge to edge. I'll add a scroll view to add these contents to make all of them scrollable from top to bottom. Inside of a scroll view, first we have this logo. So let me add a logo, image, name, splash logo. Then we have text, sign up for free. I'll add a text. Inside of it will say sign up for free. I'll add font, which is going to be system font of size 20 and width should be bold. I'll add a top padding of around 50 pixel. Alright, then we have this text field. Let me run the preview. So we already have this text field in the login view. We have already created this reusable field. So you can go and watch the previous part of login in which we have created this custom field. So you will know how we can create the reusable fields. Let me create a view model here for sign up view. We'll name it sign up view model, something like this. Here I'll say final class sign up view model, which is going to be an observable object. Here I'll create some properties like first one is the username, email, and password. There are three fields, so I'll create username of string type, or maybe you don't have to define the type. You can simply create something like this. I'll name it email and password. Looks good. Now go back to sign up screen. Here just remove this. We have added this in the login, the last video, the login one, for some in which I have demonstrate how we can pass the data from login to sign up view using the navigation stack. You can go and watch this. Here I'll create observe object, private var view model, or of sign up view model. Using this view model, I'll first we can give a placeholder. It is a random name, so I'll give it my name, my YouTube channel name. Let's build it view model dot username. Let's see if it builds. There is an error. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we don't need it. The parameterized enum. So let me remove it. It was just for demonstration, and we should have an error on the login also. Here we don't need it, so we might be good now. So we have added this. This is the left icon that we need to add. So I have already downloaded all these sets. Let me move them to project. The name is log, message, and profile. So we also have to add those name into the image. So maybe I can paste it here. Name, sorry, log, message, and profile. Okay, go back to sign up screen. Let me try to build it again. So how we gonna pass the left image? So you can see we have this. We don't want to use the system image name. We just want to have a image with the name. So I'll pass it name. Go back here, and here we can say left image to uh, profile. What was its name? Yeah, profile. So you can see it is placed here, but there is a very little spacing between them, so I should give a leading space. Okay, alright, leading 2040. So we should increase the padding here. This is the password one. We don't have to change it because this is the password field. We need to increase it here, 50 pixel. Now let's move back to sign up view. Let's see if it looks good. Yes, it looks good. Let me also give some padding, horizontal padding. Yes. Okay, so now copy and paste it here. Second field is uh, email. So I'll use the email or message. Placeholder should be email, and this uh, text variable we need to pass this email parameter, and in the password we will say password, change it to password, and the log image. And as it is the password field, we need to pass is password field also true. Yes. So we have this uh, I button here. So we have created these three fields using the reusable fields. Now we need to create these two buttons. keep me sign in and email me about special pricing. So we don't have the uh, uncheck button. What should we say? Yeah, uncheck button for this. So I'll be using the SF symbol. You can download its application. It's free and it's available from Apple. So you can download it. I'll use the SF symbol for check and uncheck images. You can use anything else. So let's use label for this. So I'll use. So first we need to type the text that we want to show. Keep me signed in, and we're gonna use system image. So we will say we'll create two more variable here, published or keep me signed in, which is going to be false initially. So it should be not checked initially. And second one is email promotion. Email promotion. So it should also be false. Okay, so uh, let's go back to here, and inside of it you need to create two more cases of system image. So first one is check mark filled. Let me copy it here. And second one is check mark. So let's type it, check mark. Yeah. Now let's get back to here. Here we will check if view model dot, first one is keep me signed in. Keep me signed in is true, then we will show image name, check mark field dot raw value. Otherwise we will say image name dot checkmark dot raw value. So if it is true, then we will show the filled one, and if it is not true, then we will show uh, the normal one. Okay, so you will see it is showing in the center, and the text color and the image color is also not matching with the design. So let's match it with the design. First, I'll add some animation. When we change, when we tap on it, it should change, but with some animation. So with this line, it will create some animation on it. Let me show you. So if I click here, okay, we have not added the tap gesture. So let me first finish the uh, view model dot if keep me sign in is true, then we want to show it dark green, but if it is false, then I just want to show it as a gray. This is the foreground color. I'll also want to have some padding from top, this, yes. And here I want to add some gesture. So in the gesture, I just want to toggle keep me sign in dot toggle. So let's try. So you see how it is animating while changing the color. Okay, now we want to move it to left. So for that, we'll say frame max width, infinity, and alignment should be leading. So it placed on the left side now. Now we need to use create the second label. Email me about pricing. So let's copy and paste it. Let me copy the text as well. To save some time, we already running out of time. It's 16 minutes. Let me quickly finish it. Uh, email promotion, email promotion, email promotion. So just three values we need to change. Otherwise, everything will be as it is. Let's try. Yeah, it's working. Now create the bottom button, and this already have an account, so it on click of this we need to navigate back to login screen. So let's do it quickly. First let's create a config file for the button. We already have a custom button. Title should be create account, and action, on action we are leaving it empty for now. Custom button with config, I'll pass config that we have created. Frame should be width should be around 140 or 150. Yeah, 150 looks good. I also want to have some padding from top. We need more padding, so I'll pass 40. So our button is also ready. Now we want to create a back button. So let me do it. Button with action and the label. So in the label, let's type already have an account. Okay, its font should be system font of size around 40, and weight should be medium. Foreground color should be light green, and let me scroll it. We need some padding also from top, and we also don't want to hide it uh, behind the bottom bar, so I'll give some padding here as well, around 40 pixel. So on click of this we want to go back to uh, login screen from where we have come here. So to do that, let's go to where is our navigation store? Yeah, here it is. So we need to create a function pop to root. So no matter where we are on the stack, we just want to go back to root controller, so we need to remove everything. All right, so go back here, just type navigation. Did we did we pass the navigation stack here? Not yet. So let's let's do it. Actually, we should already have it from the content view. So on the content view, we are already setting environment object to every view that we are navigating. So we simply need to create an environment object private for navigation store of type navigation store, and using of this navigation store we can go back to the root view controller using this. Let's try to run it. I hope it work. And if you find it useful, this video useful, please do subscribe and like the channel. If you have any question or query, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to reply you all. So we have this button, sign up here. Let me click on it. So we navigated to here. We need to hide this button as we already have this button to navigate back to login screen, or maybe we can use a custom button here. But for now, as to match the design, we don't have the back button here. I'll disable it. So in the username, user can type anything. In email, he can type anything. In the password, he can type anything, and he can even toggle using this. It should work. Yeah. So on the simulator, I don't know if it is a iOS 17 issue or Xcode issue. It lags some time. So we have these two buttons. You can see those are working also fine. We might have to remove this padding from the top in the second label, and the text is also very close to this uh, left icon. So in the custom text field, you can increase the padding, left padding as well. Let's try the last thing. Already have an account, so on click of it, we navigated back to here. Let me try it once again. So guys, we have completed this sign up screen as well, the designing and aligning the element. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me. And if you find it useful, please do subscribe to my channel. We gonna we gonna implement and create multiple screens in this session. So we have a lot of work. So if you want to learn SwiftUI, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.